What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Oki Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook the best red kidney beans. Alright, watch. So I've already got water on the stove. Now I'm going to put the red kidney beans inside the water. Next, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt. The reason why I'm going to be adding just a little bit of salt is because these kidney beans got only like less than 1% sugar in comparison to black eyed peas. So that's why I'm only going to be using just a little bit of salt. Alright, let's add the salt. Alright, that's good right there. Now I'm just gonna mix it together and cover it up. So for the meantime, while the red kidney beans is cooking, now I'm going to be preparing the chicken. Now I'm going to be boiling the chicken that I'm going to be adding to this. Alright, this is the chicken breast. Now I'm going to be cutting this chicken breast into smaller pieces. Then I'm going to boil the chicken breast. I've already cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Now I'm just going to boil the chicken. Alright, first of all, I'm going to add salt. Next, I'm going to add some parsley. Next, I'm going to be adding some chicken flavor. Alright, finally I'm going to be adding some onion. Alright, so now I'm just going to mix it together. So here is the chicken breast, and now this is done. As you guys can see, inside my chicken breast I got this excess water right here. So there's no water on the red kidney beans. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of water from my chicken breast. Alright, let's just add a little bit. This is like a chicken stock right there that I'm adding to this. Ooh, I think I'm making a lot of mess right here. We don't want the chicken inside yet. We don't want that yet. Alright, so you guys can see this is after about 1 hour 20 minutes. You guys can see right there. I'm gonna give it about, let's say, 20 more minutes. Here is the plantain that I'm going to be adding to the light red kidney beans. So I got this from Walmart. Just make sure before you guys use the plantain, make sure this is a ripe plantain. Then you guys are going to peel out the cover and cut that into smaller pieces. Now these are light red kidney beans. This is done right now, as you guys can see. So right now I forget to tell you guys, so I'm going to be adding just a little bit of ham, just to add some salt to it. This is just a little bit of ham. Next, I'm going to be adding the plantain. So this plantain right here. Now I'm just going to spread it out. But before I cover this up, now I'm going to add the chicken. Alright, this chicken right here, I'm going to add it. It's up. Just gonna spread it around. Alright, right there. So while I'm waiting for this, especially the plantain to be cooked, now I'm going to blend the pepper that I'm going to be adding to this red kidney beans. All right, now I'm going to blend the pepper. So right here, I'm going to be adding the chili, dry chili pepper. So then after that, I'm going to be adding sweet onion. Let's cut that into two. Right there, I'm going to be adding just one tomato. Then I'm going to be adding one bell pepper. I add one additional bell pepper to this, and I'm just going to add water. And I'm just going to blend it together. So, and here you go with the blended pepper. As you guys can see, this is done. Right now I'm going to add the blended pepper. So you just add it to the top. As you guys can see, this pot is already full. I think I'm going to have to transfer this into a bigger pot. Oh, making mess. Alright, that's okay. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is vegetable oil. Alright, so I'm going to be adding vegetable oil. Right, now as you guys can see, this is done, and I'm just going to mix it together thoroughly to make sure the plantain and the pepper, including the chicken, all mix well with this. This is looking good. As you guys can see, this is one of the most nutritional way to cook the light red kidney beans. This thing is looking good. As you guys can see right here, you can see the plantain, the chicken breast, the red kidney beans. All right, so this is good right now. So this is going to be very, very tasty, because the reason why you guys this stuff require plantain is because since the kidney beans is not that sweet, so you need some other sauce of either plantain or any other stuff in order for you to add the sweetness to your red kidney beans. All right guys, check the final product out.